This is the best golden chicken you'll ever make. I've got a kilo of chicken pieces here and we're going to season them. Let's squeeze in half a lemon. Then add 3 cloves of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of salt, and let's mix to add these spices very well to our chicken. For those of you who like chicken, you'll love this recipe. It's a very simple recipe, but full of flavor. Now put olive oil and 3 tablespoons of sugar in a pan. Let this sugar melt and caramelize. When it's at this point, we can add our chicken. Add it little by little and let it fry. Cover and let it fry for 20 minutes. Once this time has passed, we'll uncover and turn the pieces over so that they fry on the other side too. Once they've been turned over, we'll cover the pan and let it fry again. To make it even better, I'm going to add some chopped spring onions on top, and look how well fried and golden our chicken is. It's mouth-watering. This recipe is simply amazing. And look how amazing this chicken is. Now all you have to do is serve it up. It's a very juicy and tasty chicken, people. Just make it at home because you'll love it. It's so perfect. This is one of the best chickens I've ever made. I'm sure it will be in yours too. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.